Okay, what I want to talk about today is this little gadget here. This is the Box Max 3, and this is a hub that sticks to the Max, and it's a bit of a magnetic, magnetic plate. You can take that out or leave it in, depending on the size of the tablet. But with the Max you use it. It has, let me show you, HDMI, card reader, USB and Type-C port, and a headphone jack. Right. What is so great about this one is that I plug it in and nothing hangs from the port. Because some of you might have seen my other videos, and if it comes to hubs, there's so many types. All these will pass through charging to the Max. All these don't. They connect the keyboard, the mouse, the headphone, but they do not pass through the charge to the Max, right? So, but what they all have in common, except for this one, because this has a really nice long lead, they all hang from the port, and I don't think that's a good idea. So that is where this one comes in. So if I'm a little bit of a geek, I love the sound of a mechanical keyboard. So I don't always use the Max 3 through Bluetooth, because then I use my Logitech. If I feel like I would like to use the mechanical keyboard, I use this one and then plug in my keyboard cable here at the top. Ta-da! And then I'm able to use my keyboard without anything hanging from my port. If I want to connect more than one item, I just pick one of all the others. I probably will pick this one, because again, this has a really nice long lead and it doesn't hang. It just nicely sits there, and plug in all my stuff from there. So just for those who don't know, this is on the market and that this exists, I just wanted to share this with you. It's a very nice looking hub. Okay, thank you very much for watching.